Sip Spy. So if you're not familiar with Sip Spy, hey, what's up? How's it going? Sip Spy is a monthly tea subscription box. I unbox this monthly on my channel. If you are a tea drinker, this is definitely one that you might want to try, especially, particularly, very much so, if you like tea discovery. So like if you like different flavors and trying new brands, this is one that you will probably be like more inclined to want to try. Because when you sign up with Sip Spy, you tell them basically everything that you like, you don't like, flavors you love. Do you like herbal? Do you like caffeinated? Do you know, whatever. Then from there, every month they're going to send you 4 different teas. There's usually about 4 bags or about 2 ounces of loose tea, if it is loose. Then you also get discounts if you want to buy more from the actual retailer's website. So that's really cool. And then from there, whatever you like, you don't like, you can go on Sip Spy's website and tell them. And that way they can kind of further refine your profile. I think that's really neat. I will link down below to Sip Spy with my affiliate link. I'll also link to my full review on my blog. Yeah, I think that's it. Every box is $15, super inexpensive, just a nice box. I really, so just before we get in here, I love floral anything. Like floral teas are my jam. I love lavender, rose, hibiscus. What are the other florals? Bergamot, any of that stuff. Not that bergamot. I think that's an orange. Never mind. Anyway, I do like a mix of herbal and caffeinated because I like to have some at night. I like to have some in the day. And I don't want to drink caffeine at night because it keeps me awake. So anyway, so before we get in there and look, and so you can kind of see based on what I like, how well they are at customizing because they are really good at it. All right. So right on top, we have our insert and it says June teas. Then the back is going to list each of the teas in this box. We're going to look at this at the end of the video. Not right now. Oh, there's my scissors. I've been looking for these. Those are my favorites. They were hiding here all along. All right. I have a hair on my face somewhere. It's bothering me. I don't like it. All right. So here are our teas. But first I want to take out this little bag here. This is full of disposable tea bags because you do receive loose leaf tea in these boxes every month. And then this bag is also a reusable bag, like you can wash it. This is if you cook, if you ever make chicken soup, like, and you use a whole chicken, you can put like the neck in here so the bones don't. If I cut that out, I'm sorry guys. If I don't cut that out, if I forget to, there is a hair and it's just sitting there and it's bothering. Anyway, hopefully I remember to take that out. I probably won't. Anyway, so yes, you can put like the neck in there. Also, if you make big, large amounts of tea, you can use this like cold tea for the summertime. Also, something I've been using it for lately is when I brew my kombucha. I use this for the tea when I steep it. So there's that. Multi-purpose bag. I love it. All right. All right, right on top here, I see Miracle Tree. Miracle Tree makes this moringa. This stuff is crazy. Super caffeinated moringa infusion, green tea, lemon, ginger. I love lemon. I love ginger. I don't think I had this one, but I have had the Miracle Tree super caffeinated moringa. Definitely a morning one if you're not. Yeah, and moringa has like lots of natural properties if you want to look that up. That's something you'd want to look up on your own. But yeah, so there's 4 bags of this in here. Exciting. Don't go anywhere. Don't do that. They didn't listen. Anyway, moving along. Choice Organics, that's a new to me brand. I love new to me brands. So there's 4 of these pretty blue bags. This is herbal tea. It's chamomile. So I actually grew chamomile last year. And I'll tell you something, drying out chamomile isn't that fun. So I have big respect to these people that dry it out for me. Chamomile tea is great at night. It's just a very mild flavored tea. You can add, if you like to add milk and sugar to your tea, this is definitely one that you want to try out. I haven't tried this brand though, so I'm excited. And all it has in it is organic chamomile flowers. So that is a super simple tea right there. Definitely cool. All right, let's go with the tea drops. Next up we have, these are from Tea Drops, who I love. Love, love, love. Tea Drops makes, what the heck? Okay, there it is. So these are not loose. There is cat hair everywhere, and it's just annoying me now. They're not in a bag, and they're not loose. So basically, these are like little, these are shaped like flowers. Sometimes they're shaped like hearts. Sometimes they're just little squares. But this is their Rose Earl Grey tea. So I love rose. Like I think I've said that 700 times. And this obviously will have caffeine in it because it is an Earl Grey. It's a black tea. But you just put these in boiling water and they'll just disintegrate. They're like almost like instant tea. It's so cool. I love these though. They're great. Like if you're at work or you're out and you can't really put the, woo, you know what I mean? Just on the go. So you don't have to worry about the tea bag or any of that stuff and whatever. So there's 4 of these in here. This is like the worst video I've ever made. I can't keep my head on straight. All right. Weird energy, weird energy. All right. So our final tea in our box this month is from Miss Tea. This is their tea number 18, or the Activity. This is hibiscus lemongrass. So first off, it's her herbal, which is great. Lemongrass is fantastic, phenomenal. I love, love, love the deep, bright, like there's depth to lemongrass, but it's super bright and like it pops in your mouth. And then the hibiscus is going to give you that tart and that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful red color that hibiscus is known for. So in this tea, we have organic hibiscus flowers, organic lemongrass, organic orange peel, organic rose hips, organic spearmint, and organic rose petals, and it is caffeine free. It does have rose in it, which I super love. All right, so we got 4 teas: the Activity, the Tea Drops, the Miracle Tree Moringa tea, and our choice chamomile tea. All right, so let's look at our little card here. So the Rose Earl Grey is high caffeine. The Lemon Ginger Moringa is super caffeinated. That's like its own level of caffeinated. Chamomile is caffeine free, and the Activity is also caffeine free. So if you're interested in checking out Sips By, I'll link to them below. I will also link to my full review on my blog, so you can check that out if you so desire. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.